Good morning. So let's discuss about meaning and definition of entrepreneur. Here are some definitions about entrepreneur. Okay, in previous video we discussed about just an intro to entrepreneurship. Okay, then the next topic, that is definitions of entrepreneur. Who is an entrepreneur? And the word entrepreneur, you can see here just a paragraph about the term. The word entrepreneur is derived from a Sanskrit word antara prerana. That is this word is this an entrepreneur word is derived from Sanskrit word antara prerana. Anyone who runs a business is called an entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is ordinarily called a businessman. So simply we can say that an entrepreneur is a businessman, and we can also say that is a person who combines all the factors of production, and for the purpose combines all the input factors for the purpose of production, and he organizes and manages his business unit for getting profit, or for earning profit, or to the assuming the risk for profit. There is risk, but he thinks that he will get huge profit, or he will make profit from that business. Thus we can conclude that an entrepreneur is a person who creates an enterprise. And this is the meaning, and just there are few definitions. Let's go to that. In the words of JBC, you can see here, in the words of JBC, an entrepreneur is one who brings together the factors of production and combines them into a product, which is already discussed. That is, an entrepreneur is one who brings together the factors of production and combines them into products. There is also some more definitions, and ILO describes entrepreneurs are people who have the ability. Entrepreneurs are the people who have the ability to see and evaluate business opportunities, together the necessary resources to take advantage of firm of them, okay, sorry, of together the necessary resources to take advantage of them, and to initiate appropriate action to ensure success. Okay. And also the another definition, Peter F. Drucker defines an entrepreneur as the one who always searches for change, responds to it, and exploits its an opportunity. So we discussed three definitions. Okay, three definitions in the words of JBC, ILO, and Peter Drucker. And Joseph H. Schumpeter defines entrepreneur as one who innovates, raises money, assembles inputs, and sets the organization going with his ability to identify them and opportunities which others are not fulfill such economic opportunities. He further said an entrepreneur is an innovator playing the role of a dynamic businessman, adding material growth to economic development. Okay, so these all definitions says that he's taking risk, and he's finding opportunities, and he's making profit, and he's combines all the factors of production. Okay, so simply we can say entrepreneur is a businessman. Okay, then while we are concluding, that is, to conclude or shortly, an entrepreneur is one who recognizes and seizes opportunities, convert these opportunities into marketable ideas, adds value through time, effort, money, or skills, assumes the risk to implement these ideas, and also realizes the rewards from these efforts. Okay, entrepreneur is a person who organizes and manages a business undertaking and assumes the risk involved in it for the sake of profit, for earning profit. He is one who creates, develops, and manages a business enterprise. Simply, he is a businessman.